is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jaylah Marshae. If you're new here, hey girl, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Sorry that I look crazy, but today's video is going to be like a day in my life as a small influencer, as in someone who does YouTube, who like to model on Instagram, who does makeup, and I like to post on TikTok here and there. And that's what all I want to do today. And I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do, I guess, around the house. I do have some, I guess it's gonna be like a vlog type video, and I just wanted to do that today. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do, what I like to do, especially like during quarantine. Well, during pandemic, I'm gonna be home most of the day, well, all day. I'm not really doing anything. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I do with YouTube, what I do with like Instagram and stuff like that, and what I really like, just usually like to do, like my plans for videos, my like how I do like to do my makeup and stuff like that. So yeah, so if you guys want to see what my life looks like today, and it's a Monday, so I like to do all of that. I think so. This video is gonna go up tomorrow, which today is Monday, but I usually post on Tuesdays. So this video is gonna go up tomorrow on Tuesday. So if you're watching this on Tuesday, happy Tuesday. So yeah, I just wanted to do this video for you guys. I thought this would be kind of fun and really different, instead of like my sit down videos or my fashion videos, even though I love doing those, but I just want to do something different. So yeah. So if you guys want to see what I do in a day, continue watching this video, like, comment, subscribe to this channel, because I post every Tuesdays and Fridays, and subscribe to my vlog channel. Follow me on my social medias, which is Jaylah Marshae on Instagram, @_Jaylah Marshae on Twitter. And yeah, I love you guys, and let's get started with the video. Okay, so I took my shower, so now I have to go wash clothes, and I don't like doing laundry that much, but we all have to do it, right? So right now I just have to do laundry, and then I think I'm gonna vacuum, and then I'm gonna go have lunch, and then I think I'm gonna take pictures for Instagram because I have not done that, and then I think I'm going to just do my makeup and stuff like that. I'm gonna do my hair because I haven't done my hair. So yeah, I'm about to do laundry, and then yeah. Okay, so this is what you guys saw me. I just put a load of clothes in and I just put some laundry, and then now I'm gonna go vacuum, and I think I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys like my makeup, and then I'm going to just take pictures for Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys like what I like to do. Okay. So let me get on the floor and actually show you guys. So this is a whiteboard. I got this from Home Goods, I think a couple of months ago, and I don't remember how much it was. I think this was like only $10, but I like to use this as my I like to like write my to-do list on here. Like today is Monday, so usually I like to pre-film, or I like to plan for videos. I need to post on Instagram, and I'm gonna post on TikTok today, and I just need to clean today, like clean the house and do dishes and stuff like that. And I like to have this is my affirmations. If you guys aren't into like affirmations and law of attraction, I love that type of stuff. And these are just like my doctor's appointments, like that I have for the next month and the next couple weeks. And but yeah, I just like to write this down, and it comes with the eraser, like pen with the eraser, and I love that. So I love these. It's like marble. I really love marble and white and like rose gold. Like I just love that type of stuff. So I thought this was really cute, and I thought this would just go and help me, like, you know, keep like being on track of the days and stuff like that. So yeah, this is what I like to use, and if you guys want one, I'm pretty sure you can find them anywhere, but I got mine from Home Goods, and I just love it. So Okay, so I just did my dishes. It's like almost 3 and I still haven't did my hair or did my makeup or anything, but I just ordered Postmates because I was gonna make like a bagel or something, but I didn't want to dirty up the dishes when I was literally about to. I just realized that maybe I could have made that and I could have just washed the dishes after, but whatever. But so now I am going back upstairs and I think I'm going to comb out my hair and then before I eat. And then I'm gonna just wait on my lunch, and then I think after lunch I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm going to do I think after lunch I'm gonna do my hair, and then I'm going to just go ahead and sorry, that's my washer. I'm just gonna go ahead and just chill right now and just wait for lunch, and then I'm just gonna do whatever. Eating lunch, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I actually ended up getting Panera. Panera has this really good sandwich that is just like a teriyaki chicken sandwich, and it's so good. If you guys have not tried it, please try it. It is bomb. It is like everything, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. It comes with lettuce and like chicken and everything. Kind of with this bread, and it's so good. It gave me chips to go with it. I ended up getting chips to go with it, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and watch some YouTube videos. I know I've been looking crazy this whole entire video, but lunch, I think I should have woken up a little bit earlier. I woke up at like 8, but I didn't really get out of bed until like 9-10 o'clock, so I probably should have woken up. My fault on that. I do need to work on waking up earlier and getting out of the bed and not just sitting on my phone for an hour. I do need to work on that, but this is what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. I think I saw Adeline post. If you guys don't watch Adeline Morin, she's like amazing on YouTube. I love watching her videos. I love her vlogs. She's just like positive and happy person, and just an uppity person, and just really happy all the time. And I love that about her. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch her vlogs, and I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and then I'm gonna finally do my hair because it's look a hot mess, and then I'm going to finally do my makeup and post on Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah. Hi. Okay. So it is a couple days later, and so now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I did with my makeup. Well, I was gonna go in full detail, but then I realized I'm gonna do a video on how I get ready for Instagram pictures, how I get ready for how I get ready to take Instagram pictures. So I think I'm just gonna time lapse my makeup and just time lapse, like just show you like whatever outfit, and then I'm going. So yeah. Okay, so this is the outfit that I decided to do for my pictures, and yeah, I'm gonna do like a whole how I get ready for Instagram pictures for Friday's video, and I just want to show you guys, this is the outfit. Outfit is from Fashion Nova, and yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that, and this whole outfit is actually from Fashion Nova, and then my shoes are back there. But yeah, this is my outfit, and this is how my makeup turned out. I just ended up doing like a dark like brown eye look or whatever, and yeah, I'm about to put in some earrings and take some videos for Instagram. Take some pictures for Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to this channel because I upload today's video is gonna be uploaded on Wednesdays, but I usually upload every Tuesdays and Fridays. And yeah, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see from me, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye. Now turn up.